Hello everyone at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 3rd math. In today's video we'll start our 6th chapter, that is division. Okay? So 6th chapter is division. Okay? Before going to start this, we have to know the basic knowledge about the definition and example related to our 6th chapter. Okay? So let us learn the division definition. Okay? This is page number 87. More about division. You have already learned about division in the previous class. You know that division means equal sharing and equal grouping. Okay? Division means equal sharing and equal grouping. Here we have to find either the number of shares or the number to be put into each group or share. Examples. We have 20 chocolates to be distributed equally among 5 children. So we distribute 20 divided by 5 among each child. We give 4 chocolates to each child. This is called equal sharing. Yes or not? Yes. This is called equal sharing. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Okay, 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. How? Let us do here. So here is 20 divided by 5 equals to dash 5. Okay. So in 5 table 20 will come. Yes. 5 fours are 20. So it is divisible. So 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay. So now I will tell the terms. This 0 is remainder. And this 4 is quotient. This 4 is quotient and this 5 is divisor. This 5 is divisor and this 20 is dividend. What is this 20? This 20 is dividend. Okay. 5 is divisor, 20 is dividend, 4 is quotient. Okay. And 0 is remainder. Okay. So here 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Okay. See here we got quotient as 4. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Now we have find this. See here in the boxes, the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor and the answer to a division problem is called the quotient. Okay, so the answer to a problem is called the quotient. So 4 is our answer, that is quotient. Okay, so the number to be divided is called the dividend. So 20 is dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. So 5 is the divisor. Okay, second one. Division is also called repeated subtraction. Okay, yes, division is also called repeated subtraction. So let us see here how many 5s are there in 20. Okay, so they are asking how many 5s are there in 20. So let us do this. 20 minus 5. Okay, 20 minus 5 is 15. This is the first part. Next, again we have to do 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. Second. 10 minus 5 is 5. Third. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4. Okay, so we can subtract 5 from 20 4 times. Okay, we can subtract 5 from 20 4 times. So there are 4 5s in 20. How many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 5s in 20. This is same as 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So 20 is dividend, 5 is divisor and 4 is quotient. Okay, so 20 is dividend, 5 is divisor and 4 is quotient. Okay, so this is the basic concept of division and example. I hope you understood it. Okay, so let us do this. Let us revise. Jamal and his friends were going to watch the badminton match being played between the school and Menu school. There were 20 of them and they went by auto rickshaws. 4 friends traveled in one auto rickshaw at the hall. They met Menu and her friends. Okay, so what we have to do here, how many auto rickshaws did you need? Okay, 20 divided by 4. Okay, 20 divided by 4. So just now read it. 20 divided by 5 we did here. Okay, so 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So how many auto rickshaw did you need? From the table of 4 we know that 5 4s are 20. So 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Okay, so here we got quotient as 5. So how many auto rickshaw did you need? 5. Okay, so this is the basic concept of division. In the next class I am going to start recap exercise. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.